which among the following is the imperfect fungi which are decomposers of the litter and help in mineral cycling? Let's look into the options given one by one. Coming to deuteriomycetes, they are also known as the imperfect fungi, and they are the decomposers of the organic matter which help in mineral cycling. And the examples include Penicillium aspergillus. So that means the correct answer is option B, deuteriomycetes. Coming to ascomycetes, the fungi with sexual reproduction through asci, which some are decomposers, and the examples include Saccharomyces as well as Neurospora, and they are not considered as the imperfect fungi. So option A is incorrect. Coming to basidiomycetes, these are the fungus with sexual reproduction through basidia, and they are also decomposers, specifically wood decay fungi, and the examples include Agaricus piscinia. And also they are not the imperfect fungi, so option C is also incorrect. Coming to finally picomycetes, they are the early diverging fungi, some with asexual reproduction, where some of them are decomposers, and the examples include Rhizopus and Mucor. And they are also not known as the imperfect fungi, so the correct answer will be option B, deuteriomycetes.